today we're doing another food subscription box video. Last time we did HelloFresh, and this time we're trying Chef's Plate.
Let's try this out because our friends Darcy and Leandra gave us a free trial from their subscription.
So we're gonna pick one for today that we're gonna do, and then the other two will be in separate videos. Okay, so these are the three options that we picked for our week. First one is roasted veggie and ricotta pasta bake. The second one is a mushroom
bibimbap
bowl.
Bibimbap bowl?
And my red lentil curry bowl. That one, Jonah gets my egg. I don't need eggs. So today I get to pick, and I think I'm gonna pick pasta because I'm just in the mood for pasta. So we're gonna give this recipe a try. Funny story, I'm gonna open the box already and put everything in the fridge so it wouldn't go bad. So this is the little bag it came with for the pasta, but it also came with this. I thought somebody shoved a pillow into the fridge. That's just really sad looking. So we're gonna open this and see what exactly is in this. I don't know if it's something that's supposed to go with the pasta, but it's like your pillow. Like cooling gel. Oh, it's like fridge stuff. I
guess it makes sense.
There's an egg in a box. Mostly an ice pack.
A couple cheeses, yeah, and some cabbage.
Cool. I guess we'll find out. What a surprise. The first step is to boil pasta. Let's open this up and see what we have inside. So we have a little bag of spinach.
We have a yellow pepper.
Ooh, my favorite. Mushrooms.
Italian herb spice blend, I guess.
That's just dried spices. Ooh, there's a bunch of sauce packets. It looks like big ketchup packets. Crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, tomato sauce.
Alright, we got some loose garlic.
4.
Oh, 4.
This much pasta?
Yeah, so we'll probably have to cook some extra pasta. This is all they gave us, which is pretty... I could probably eat that myself, I guess.
Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna start with boiling the water for the pasta, cut and wash and dry all of the veggies. Okay, so we're also supposed to preheat the oven, so I'll start that. What do you want to start prepping?
Start with the garlic.
Sure. I'll do spinach if you'll do pepper.
Sure.
Okay. Oh, the water.
Hey babe, look!
What?
There's a little pepper inside this one.
Oh, it has a baby! Aww. Perfect. And then we're gonna add in some of our own because that's not enough. It's not completely accurate. But your girl's gotta be able to eat. Hey Google, set a timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, and that's starting now.
So this is our veggie so far. There's the garlic and mushrooms. Okay, so next step, we have to put the peppers, mushrooms, spices, and oil on veggies and just put them on a baking sheet in the oven. It's a lot. Definitely smells like Italian seasoning. So that's our veggie. Now we're gonna make the marinara sauce.
1 tablespoon of butter.
I already messed up, so now you can't do your part as well.
Oh, we have
I
more.
always mess that up with these. It says to do 2 teaspoons of Italian herb blend. I just dumped it all in.
That's okay, we have more.
Okay.
Alright, so for step 2, it's when butter is melted, add 3/4 of the garlic and cook for 2 minutes until aromatic.
This problem with HelloFresh too. I'm apparently not very good at reading instructions, and when they pre-portion it out, I just think you're supposed to put everything in at once all the time. Yeah. See if it's in the pillow.
This here, right here.
That's it.
I'm pretty sure. This is more of a cheese crumble. This is mozzarella.
I love cheese. Anyone else a big fan of ricotta cheese? Or like mozzarella? That's like my normal cheese that I use for everything. I'll always buy a big block of mozzarella. Is it done?
No.
Oh. That's disappointing. Oh. Okay.
Alright, so it's time to add the tomato sauce base.
Hey Google, stop. Pasta looks like it's done.
Yeah.
Drain the pasta, and I put the little strainer in the pot, because that's what it's meant for, and Jonah was astounded.
I was today years old when I learned you do that.
He's literally had these pots for longer than he's known me, and he had no idea that the colander fits right into the pot.
Alright, it's now time to add the crushed tomato base.
I just realized we made more pasta, which is good, but we didn't make more sauce. Hopefully it's not too dry. Checking to see if the veggies are done. Also, yes, I am in PJ pants. Now we're gonna put everything together. So we need a baking dish. We're gonna put together the pasta, the sauce, the veggies, the spinach, and we're gonna mix in half cheese, and then we're gonna save the other half to put on top at the very end and broil it.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Normally I would have just read put in cheese and just put all the cheese in and then later been like, oh. Tastes pretty good so far. So excited, it looks so good and cheesy. I like eating cheese.
Alright, apparently it's ready.
Oof.
Ooh.
Whoa. Oh, that's the sauce. I was like, wow, that got brown. I feel like hear it sizzling. Ooh. Look at all that cheese. Whoops. Thanks, babe. Okay, guys, so we're gonna try our first bite. That's actually really good.
You taste the garlic really well.
Yeah, the flavors are actually a lot better than I expected. I feel like the fresh garlic and the ricotta helps a lot as well.
Yeah.
Great input.
Definitely wouldn't have been enough pasta though if we hadn't added our.
We eat a lot, so I'm glad that we added in our own, but I think this is actually really good.
It is pretty good. It's very similar to what we make at home already. But yeah, it's pretty good. The sauce is good. It's better than I expected it to be at.
And it was actually pretty quick. It took like maybe 15-20 minutes. I definitely make it again.
If I was to critique it at all, I think that they obviously need more pasta, and I think that the more vegetables.
Yeah, like the veggies that are in here are really good. I just wish there was a little bit more, or maybe like a couple kinds of peppers would be nice. So I would rate it probably like 4 out of 5.
I'll give it a 3.5 out of 5.
Brutal.
I think it's really delicious, but I think you can make it at home pretty easy. It's good, but yeah, I think it could be a little more hearty, a little more pasta.
But the flavors are really good. I love that they put 2 kinds of cheeses. The veggies that they picked for the pasta make a lot of sense with it. So I think overall, that's why I like it a lot.
Yeah, me too. I think it's good.
We're gonna go watch some TV and relax for the rest of the night. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. We have 2 more videos coming up soon. See you guys later.
See ya.